Okay everybody, I'm back again with an update of the few changes I made. It is a fairly blustery January day, but here's my new panel. It's been upgraded to a Sharp 185 watt panel, which I mounted last week. It's only just had a chance now to get a video up. If we go inside, there's the boy's bike, and I just bang my head. And here's the changes inside. So the same charge controller, the same grid tie. Now the cable's obviously running down there from the panel from outside the shed, and I have now got a Turnigy Watt Analyser in there, power analyzer. And I'm not sure if you can see it very well, but just starting to get a bit of sun, and we're bringing in 1.1 amp. 12.7 volts and about 14 watts. The battery is obviously charging a lot better on this panel. The batteries were nearly flat when I bled them dry testing the inverter last time. There is a drain on it at the moment because I've got it outputted to the inverter. That is then going across into here, and that's charging my son's Christmas present, which is an RC car. So all of that powered by the sun, which is fantastic, what I like to see. But without the load on, we're up to about 13 volts. Now obviously not enough to get the grid tie inverter, but I'm hoping as the days go by. The problem we've got here at the moment is the sun. The house blocks the sun until it's a little bit higher in the sky a little bit later on in the year, which is a bit of a shame, because I'm really looking forward to seeing how this new panel performs. But there we go, just sort of a small update at the moment. I'll be really interested to see how this panel performs once you get a bit of direct sunlight on, and obviously get above 14 volts to get this bad boy going and actually deliver a bit into the house. Now obviously any comments or anything else appreciated, but how I've got it wired at the moment, they're the cables coming in from the solar panel, and as you can see I've got a link into here to the watt analyzer, so I can see exactly how much power is coming directly from the panel. And then I've got broken off, I split it off onto the inverter, that cable across there, and then the other one goes to the input of the charge controller. Now I mean I did discuss this with a colleague that I know. No doubt you'll confirm this, Mark, if you're listening. Hello. And that goes into the solar charger, and then obviously I've got the output to the battery and to the normal inverter. Now I can't see a problem with that, and it seems to be working quite nicely. I think probably end up just upgrading the cable a little bit more, because that's the cable that comes in from the panel, if you can see it. And then obviously I'm going out to slightly thinner cable, but I mean it's all rated up to about 10 amps this cable, and the panel only generates probably a maximum of about 8 amps. But just for safety, I think I'll upgrade the cable when I get a minute. So there we go, guys. Any questions, comments or suggestions, as always, please feel free to put a note and leave me a message, and I'll get back to you. Here's looking forward to some sun. Bye bye.